Buenos dias, señoritas y señoritos. Welcome to our garden. Mamaya pupunta tayo sa isang lugar that also gives that great pleasure and entertainment noon. Pero ngayon medyo napabayaan na. Pero I'm going to bring you there para ipakita sa inyo what it means to me and why I am to my kababayan. So dito tayo sa garden. Let's go in. Actually, we're going to the home theater dito sa underground side ng bahay namin. And sayang lang kasi hindi nagaano siya nagagamit at napabayaan na yung ngayon ko lang napansin na wala na palang isang ilaw na lang ang gumagana. So let's go in sa home theater. Buti na aircon gumagana pa rin. So ayan, ito siya. O ayan. Dito center of activity namin ito lahat, magpamilya noon. When we first built this house in around 2009 to 2010. So yan ang screen niya, sliding screen. Katapos andyan yung mga speaker. So marami siyang speaker, JBL at saka ano pa to? Isa, kuwan rin. Tsaka meron rin mga Marshall Cardon pala yung woofer. Pagkatapos may mga in-ceiling speakers rin sa likod ng upuan to really make you feel na nasa sine ka, nasa likod mo yung sound. Dito naman yung mga trophies ng anak ko sa golf noon at what's left of the library. O yan, dito dahil spacious siya, andyan yung mga electronic system niya. Meron pa mga CD, hindi na lang klaro gaano. Kasi isa na lang ilaw. Napabayaan na yan mga wine ko na mga bigay pa ng mga presidente ng mga clients ko, mga senator, yan mga lawyers, magagaling na lawyers. Yan ang wine collection and hard drinks collection ko. Expensive yung iba, mga 15,000 kada bote yan, ganon. So why am I showing you this? Mga beanbag, ganon. So it also kami kasi ang hilig namin yung kwan lang hilig namin talaga yung puwera mag-travel abroad, yung buong pamilya is just to watch movies. Kaso lang this time medyo napabayaan na nga dahil meron na kami big screen sa room plus mga bata may kanya-kanya ng mga TV at mas gusto sila, weird nga, mas gusto sila yung kwan, yung sa cellphone na lang. Diba? Sayang talaga na meron ito. That's why last year pa ata ako nanood ng movie dito So medyo napabayaan na siya. Yung those of you who were here 2 years or from the beginning ni VAT, dito rin ginawa natin for several months. Dito natin ginawa yung office natin, yung VAT studio. So why am I showing you this? Because may isang projector dyan. Another projector I will be bringing home to my second projector na ginagamit namin dati sa kwarto. Kung nanonood kami ng movie sa kwarto, we will bringing it to Zamboanga City. At that is my way of sharing to the children, especially mga bata doon sa barangay namin, Barangay Manikaan, na mostly are poor. We will share movies to them, especially yung mga movies na mga educational, mga movies about Jose Rizal, movies about Andres Bonifacio, movies about na heroes of other countries, at saka mga bata na who became great men one day in the ganon, so in history and in the future. So yun ang gagawin namin. Kumbaga, we will put up our second projector sa business namin, sa grounds ng business namin kasi malaki siyang area. Yung ang tawag ay East Zamboanga Business and Events Place. At doon namin we will put it up for free. So kayo dyan, taga Zamboanga, na please spread the word around. Our East Zamboanga Business and Events Place is located in Barangay Manikaan, Zamboanga City. So diyan namin ilalagay yung yung projector namin, and then we will play it up for the children. Bale outdoor movie yan, free yan, siguro mga 3 to 4 times a night, pagkatapos a week. Pagkatapos syempre meron kami diyan mga concessionaires, mga commercial renters na ito palang kitchen namin, mga commercial renters, and dining table, and meron rin may Torx Pizza dyan, yung #1 pizza chain sa Zamboanga City. Pagkatapos meron rin convenience store. So lahat you're welcome if you're in Zamboanga City to watch movies na educational. Yun lang, may mga plastic yung sa sala namin dito dahil kahit pa paano iniihian ng pusa yung yung mga upuan. So yan, dati yan may malaking Christmas tree, pero ngayon wala na kasi we're going to Zamboanga nga. In fact, as you're watching this, we're already in Zamboanga. So sige, akyat tayo sa VAT office to continue this. So as I was saying, na yun nga, we are going to, yan, umihi yan dito. We are going to share. I'm going to share God's blessing kasi siyempre masayang-masaya ako na God put me in a position to be able to afford to put up a home theater na for many years gave us immense pleasure, gave us immense fun. So kaso lang, kung nakita nyo, neglected na, parang naging bodega na lang, wala nang nag-appreciate dito sa amin. Kaya I'm gonna put it there in Zamboanga and watch movies with the kids. So that is my way of, kasi alam ko mahal na mahal ng mga movie ticket ngayon. By the way, ito hindi ko pa parati napapakita para sa inyo. Dito yung mga collections ko na mga maliliit na bagay na from all over the world. From all over the world. Africa, all continents, almost all continents in the world. Kasi hindi na ako nakapunta sa Kwan ata, Antarctica. Yan na lang ata. At saka South America, hindi pa ata ito nakapunta. Pero all the rest of the continent na bisita na natin. So yan ang mga kwan natin. Pati meron pa sa loob, mga souvenirs na mga maliliit lang, mga kwan lang, anik-anik. Kasi yan lang ang kayang dalhin ko from Russia, from Norway, from Sweden, yan, from Romania, from Bulgaria, yan. O yun, itong yung other computers nasa bag na for pinapack up ko na. So, I'll be missing display. So, yun, as I was saying, we will be sharing the movie experience with the kids. So, that is my way of thanking God na helping give me a good life, or for blessing me to have a good life. And now it is time to share my blessings to the children dyan sa lugar namin sa Zamboanga City. So, kung kayo sa Zamboanga, yan, papack up na tayo. Yan ang favorite spot ko, yung sofa bed. So, may big TV rin nga dito kaya hindi na kami gaano nanonood doon sa home theater. Pero dati, whole family, in-invite pa namin yung mga classmate, in-invite pa namin yung mga neighbor para manood. And gamit na gamit naman siya. Pero this time, one of the two projectors will be brought to Zamboanga. In fact, tomorrow, pag uwi namin doon, and Sunday ngayon, so Saturday ngayon, so that's Sunday morning, as you will be watching this a day after. So yun, that is my way of sharing the movie experience to the kids in my barrio. So I hope you will spread the word around, Libre Cine, sa commercial center ni VAT na ang pangalan ay East Zamboanga Business and Events Place. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for helping me spread the word. Yan ang tanaw ko araw-araw. Kaya medyo inspiring at nakaka-relax rin si Bad dito, at malamig pa siya. But I'll be missing this place soon as I again return to Zamboanga to attend to my business. So thank you very much everyone for joining me in my vlogging sessions. And kayo sa Zamboanga, you're welcome to watch movies for free with the Vlogcaster. Please bring your kids. Go to the East Zamboanga Business and Events Place in Zamboanga City. Mucho y mas gracias a todos.